The Texas Supreme Court heard arguments today about the state's ban on gender-affirming care in minors. The families and groups that sued the state argue the new law violates the constitutional rights of families and transgender children. Fox 4's David Santendry is live with a look at today's arguments. David.
Yeah, families sued the state of Texas almost immediately after Governor Greg Abbott signed that bill into law. The state Supreme Court allowed the law to be enacted before today's arguments on its merits. The Texas Supreme Court heard arguments Tuesday surrounding a ban against minors receiving specific treatments for gender dysphoria.
What Senate Bill 14 does is take certain medical treatments off the table entirely.
In September, Senate Bill 14 went into effect. It banned transgender minors from accessing treatments like hormone therapy and puberty blockers, as well as other treatments.
Deprives transgender youth of equal rights.
A group of parents, physicians, and special interest groups sued the state, claiming the law violates the constitutional rights of families and children based on sex. A Travis County judge temporarily blocked the law, but the state Supreme Court allowed it to go into effect anyway. Now justices must decide whether the law should stay in effect.
This is a parent's choice, the fundamental right to decide.
An attorney for the group suing the state argues that transgender children need the types of care Senate Bill 14 blocks.
The state coming into the living room of parents and making decisions about care. And that's the problem.
The state, however, questions the credibility of studies which support gender-affirming care.
The evidence to support these interventions is questionable at best.
Among the medical organizations that support the standard of care are the American Academy of Pediatrics and the American Medical Association. But the state argues the care can be detrimental to kids.
Even if we put aside all the uncertainty about the benefits of these decisions, we're talking about 8- and 9-year-old children never going through puberty and being rendered sterile because of these hormone procedures.
Tuesday's hearing lasted about an hour. Justices posed questions and perspectives.
It seems to me that what the court is really asked to do is resolve what is at bottom a moral and philosophical question, as opposed to a scientific question about the nature of men and women. And what is gender identity isn't even a coherent concept.
The Texas Supreme Court will issue its official opinion no later than June 30th. Steve, Heather, back to y'all.
All right, David Santendry, thank you.